feminine, the Prakriti, which we say the nature, rejoices in all its weather. And she flourishes in every weather. So this has to be within. It is not external. This beauty that we are talking about, this flowering we are talking about, the green grass we are talking about, this is a sense of feeling nurtured, nourished, some kind of depth. Really come home to yourself. This is your belly. This is the space of resting. And this needs everyday training. And this happens effortlessly in a women's circle. When women come together, there's a lot of relaxation. There's a lot of release. There's a lot of sharing and melting.